If your Mitsubishi Outlander displays the EV System Service Required warning, it means the vehicle has detected a problem within its hybrid or electric drive system. In plug-in hybrid models like the Outlander PHEV, the EV system manages the high-voltage battery, electric motor, charging components, and related control modules. When the system detects a fault, it shows this warning to prevent damage and may limit electric driving until the issue is resolved. Try these. 1. Restart the vehicle. Turn the vehicle off completely, wait about 2 to 3 minutes, then start it again to clear temporary system errors. 2. Check the 1. 2 volt battery. A weak or low auxiliary battery can trigger EV system warnings, so ensure the battery voltage and connections are good. 3. Inspect the charging system. Check the charging port and cable for dirt, moisture, or damage that could interrupt charging communication. 4. Scan the vehicle for diagnostic codes. Use an OBD2 scanner compatible with hybrid systems to identify EV-related fault codes. 5. Drive the vehicle briefly. After restarting, drive normally for a few minutes to allow the system to reinitialize.